Three-part series, Play and Preschoolers, Part 1. There has been a lot of talk about play in the classroom or learning environment of children. In mainstream education, play is felt at odds with the government demands on how to educate children. From the research over many decades, the conclusions are clear. Play is vitally important for child development and that it has a long-lasting impact on learning far beyond the preschool years. In this three-part series, we will look at why play is so important and how it can be used to improve your science lessons and approach to science education. Part 1. Why should we let kids play? Social development is one reason for encouraging play with peers. This type of play develops a child's understanding of societal rules, which later will translate into following and understanding the rules of a classroom, workplace, or group setting. There is evidence that this peer play allows children to learn how to better control their emotions and allow for improved attention and focus as they get older. In particular, role-playing or fantasy play, where roles are assigned, appears to have a positive impact on a child's pro-social behavior. For our multilingual children, this type of role play improves the academic achievement of these children as they are able to learn the differing cultural contexts that their multiple languages come from. Play allows children to better manage their behavior, known as self-regulation. Self-regulation, in turn, is a deep internal mechanism that enables children as well as adults to engage in mindful, intentional, and thoughtful behaviors. There are two major factors that self-regulation affects: the ability to control impulsive behavior and the improvement of working memory. Scaffolded play, play with rules and roles, helps develop these self-regulatory behaviors. Having control of these self-regulatory behaviors is thought to have an impact on their academic performances later on in school settings. Just these findings alone lead us to thinking how, even in a secondary setting like ours, how we would include more play in our lessons. Definitely food for thought. What are your thoughts on play? Come back next week for our look at play and numeracy. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. From our classroom to yours, John and Melissa.